Okay. In the North American Indian net series, which is the 3-loop situation in the beginning, there are ways of making more complex figures by either katilluicking or conflating the loops. Let's try katilluicking first. We'll do an opening B. Doesn't matter really which opening you use. Now, if I want to katilluick the thumb, which is to bring 2 loops together, I will stick one thumb up under the other and katilluick the thumb. If I want to katilluick the little finger, I come in from behind and do essentially the same thing, and that is a double katilluick. Now I can make a figure out now. Let's make a double katilluick Navajo mini stars, and I treat each double string as if it were a single string, and when I finish I have that figure, which is the Navajo mini stars with a double katilluick thumb and little finger. I can also katilluick the index loops, but I can actually, if I want to katilluick it, I have to reach with one of my indexes, come under and crawl into, pull up and then come under and crawl into, and pull apart, and you'll notice that there are 2 transverse strings. Now let's do an Inuit net with a katilluick index. And there you see that is a much richer sort of figure than the original Inuit net. It has several little strings running across through the center. But you don't have to double the index by doing that katilluick. If you use an LDNA, say for example, and then make another loop, which is actually a 4 LDNA loom, and you conflate or put the 2 middle together, you will see that it doesn't have straight across transverse strings, it has crossing strings. And then if I do the Inuit net with a conflated index, I get that, and you'll see that the center is decidedly different, and that is the sort of richness that you can explore using either katilluick or conflating in the North American Indian series of figures.